What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. So I'm here in Dollar Tree, you guys, and I'm seeing lots of new items. I had to see if these were scented or not. We have the cute little plush, like backpack clips. They're so cute. Birdy already spotted them and said that she really liked them. And we have the cute little unicorns. They're kind of like seahorse slash unicorn-ish. Then we have some Shopkins hand sanitizer. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, these are all Disney themed. And I love these. I have one of these at home. Wow, this is a shoehorn and a back scratcher. And I'm definitely gonna get one of these notebooks this week. These fuzzy notebooks, I think they're so cute. The butterfly, the stripes, and the hearts. Yeah, I'm seeing lots of new things. This is cute. Little keychain holder, keychain badge holder. And these are little 3D magnets. Super cute. These are crayons. I don't want to knock them down. And they have a nice supply of the hand creams. I've really been enjoying my peach. I've also used my apple one time. They feel really nice and heavy, which is definitely what we need this time of the year. Oh, look at these. Oh, and then now this store has these little neon bags. I saw them a few weeks back at my other Dollar Tree that I go to. I think they have 2 other varieties as well. Lots of eyeshadow palettes, all by LA Colors. This one's really pretty. Ooh, look at these colors, so nice. And they have the cleansing nose strips. I got Bunny a deodorant from here and it smells so good. I think it's not Avalanche, it's like Arctic something or other. But I think it's a speed stick deodorant and it just smells so nice. I really love it on them. I know that sounds funny, but you guys know what I mean. Some deodorants just smell so good. The little travel bottles, those are very useful. I just love finding name brand medication here. I think I need to get another one of these. My last one is like totally empty and it worked really well. They have Zantac here this week, Advil. And of course, I love the Reach mouthwash. This one is fluoride and this one is a mouthwash, and they're both really good. Let's see if we have any new candles this week. Oh, these are so cute. So cute. I love that container. Okay, so they have this one. Aw, mermaid kisses. C'est la vie. And Bon Voyage. Those are so cute. And these are by the Rose Collection. This is Sea Cotton. It reminds me a lot of the scent, the cotton scent from Bath & Body Works. This is Sea Salt and Sage. It smells really nice and upscale, kind of light, kind of reminds me of a men's fragrance. Mermaid Kisses is Coconut Seaside. And then Anchor Away is Sea and Sky. And it smells pretty nice, just kind of perfumey. But that container is absolutely beautiful. I saw Pretty and Flawed haul. I think it was this one. I don't think I've seen these other three. I think these are brand new. I do remember this one though. It's so pretty. Really, really nice. Like I need any more candles, but I might have to indulge. The C'est La Vie is so cute. Yeah, that one smells nice. I don't know which one my favorite is. I think I really like the cotton. And Mermaid Kisses kind of smells like, kind of rosy. Coconut Seaside. Decisions, decisions. Let's see what else we have. They have lots of craft foam here in a variety of sizes. They have seashells and rocks, everything. Little craft foam balls in a variety pack. And then they have the sachet still too, in a variety of scents. Passion, amber, linen, white rose, lily, and citrus. And then we have lots of colored sand and colored pebbles down here as well. Ooh, pretty flowers. Look at these. And little butterflies up there. I've seen these at another Dollar Tree, and this is the one I selected because it had a cute little cactus, and I liked the llama also. Those are really cute. We have some little spring stickers, some Valentine's Day stickers. Let's see if there's anything else. Lots of color your own 3D stickers. Disney, Frozen, Cars. This is cute. So I'm down the book aisle and I just found these sketch pads. You get 40 sheets. They seem pretty nice. They're acid free. So I just found this computer paper too, and it's by Jot. It could definitely work as just a regular paper pad or stationery. This one's pretty cute. Happy birthday, dots. Paisley, that kind of reminds me of a bandana.
Sherry said I could pick one of these.
Let's see if there's anything else new by Jot. I never did see the rose gold items. The rose gold pins and tacks and clips and everything. Let's head over to the Valentine's Day stuff and the Easter stuff and the spring stuff and the St. Patrick's Day stuff. Have any of you purchased seeds from Dollar Tree? Let me know down in the comments if you guys have purchased any seeds from Dollar Tree. I'm really considering it this year. Oh, these are all new. These spring items are all new since last week. That's pretty. Little chimes and bells. Only $1. These are all felt, little felt decor. It looks like we have a few more chimes over here. Aw, I love how that sounds. Lots of garden gloves. What a great deal. Lots and lots of seeds, 4 for $1. Yeah, you guys, really, seriously, let me know down in the comments. Have you purchased any flower seeds from here? Have you purchased any vegetable seeds from here? I really want to plant a few things this spring and summer. Oh, and we have some more over here. Impatiens, marigolds. These are normally $2.99. Nice. We have some zinnias. Wow. It's a seed mixture just for $1, you guys. Hummingbird wildflower blend, shade area wildflower blend. These are normally $2.99. What a deal. We have the bird and butterfly wildflower blend, and they even have potting soil and seed starter trays. This is so cute. It's like a real girly robot. I like that. I like the pink and the green a lot. You get 25 bags and they're all the same. Those are so cute. I figured I'd just come down the hair aisle and see what might be new. Looks like they have some cute new bags. I do remember this one from last year, but I really love it. So cute. And some hats and fuzzy socks, all the Snuggadoo socks. They look so cuddly. They are really soft. But you guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I think that's it for me. So if you guys enjoyed shopping with me and coming with me to Dollar Tree, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button, subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.